Hey guys, so first I'm starting out with the shade Priceless. This shade is perfect to start out with any eyeshadow look. And next I am just dipping into Celebrity Skin. And that is just going to help deepen up our crease a little bit more. Next, I am taking the shade Crystal Flesh. I'm going to be popping that all over my lids. Next, I am dipping into the shade Coolin' On. And I am just putting this in my inner corners and underneath my brows. Next, I dipped into the shade Wealthy, and I just placed that between my brow bone highlight and the other transition color. And I did this so that everything would just have a nice seamless blend. Next, I am just placing a nude eye pencil in my waterline. For lip liner, I'm taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Nicole, and I am just using this to outline my lips. So next, I just took this really beautiful lipstick from Fenty Beauty. This is just the STUNNA lip paint in the shade Uncensored. I saw Emma Servin use it on her YouTube channel, and I literally had to go out and buy one. And it is literally just such a cute little lipstick to have, and it's actually not little at all. They give you so much product, and yeah, I am obsessed with it. This is the first time I actually used it, and I thought it was so beautiful. It's just a vibrant, true red, and definitely a staple in my makeup collection. To finish everything off, I am just using one of my favorite concealers. This is just the Tarte AQUACEALER concealer, and I'm just using that to clean up that lipstick. It was kind of hard to control it with the applicator, but yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.